Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to install this MacBook Pro 2013 model. It should be similar to MacBook Pro. It should be similar to regular MacBook as well. So let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. So I did unbox last time about this battery, and it doesn't seem authentic. Since it says original battery or genuine battery from the seller. So it comes with this tool, which is nice. So I'm gonna flip over. Actually, I'm going to power this on real quick. So the battery shows fully charged. So let's see. Alright, so right here I'm just going to show you guys the check on your why so dim. Alright, so right here you're just gonna click on the Apple icon right here. Okay, about this Mac. And then you're gonna click on System Report. And you want to go ahead and then click on hardware. You want to go ahead and go on this hardware and then click on power. And right here it shows you the cycle count. So the battery, which is not that bad, 760 cycle count right here. Okay. But unfortunately, the battery on this MacBook Pro, it depleted pretty fast. It was 100% charged. Now it went down to 91%. So, and that's the reason I'm going to replace this one. I bought this on eBay, and then it's not holding charge. I bought a used, so that's why I never buy a used battery unless you are so cheap like me. So, just kidding. I know everybody try to save money nowadays, so I'm going to shut it down right now. I'm going to click on the Apple and then click on shutdown. And then we're going to go ahead and proceed the installation. All right. So on the bottom here, you're going to remove all those screws. And hopefully the tool that comes with it is going to... That's all the tool that you need, hopefully. So... go ahead and get it started. This is Phillips screws. And it's very, very short. So I believe the two on the back in the midsection, those are the longer ones. So that's what happened to me when I try to change the MacBook Air. So with the MacBook Air, it uses star or the torque screwdriver instead of Phillips. So you might want to put like a fabric or anything so you won't scratch it. So I believe these two are the longest one in the midsection right here. Yep, look at that. Wow. So yeah, be sure you don't mix it up. Oh, and then this one's long one. So it's different from the MacBook Air 13-inch. So toward the MagSafe charger. Okay, from the midsection, 1, 2, 3. And then short one again. Be sure to put the screws in a safe place so you don't lose it. Now I'm gonna pop that open. Oops, I forgot one here. And then the bottom cover should lift up pretty easily. Alright, so here we go. Now you're gonna bring the new one and then inspect it. Make sure they are the same. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery terminal right here. Just lift that up. Okay. And then that's it. And I'm gonna unscrew the two screws that's holding its place. One right here, one over there. Yeah, so they give me this round tool. It's slip ring. So those are the tri-star. Let's see. Or tri-point. So yeah, I gotta go get my tool then. Yeah, so unfortunately the seller, they give me the two of the Phillips screwdriver, so I'm not sure what's the purpose of that. So these are the tri-point. So if you try to use a screwdriver and then take it out, you're going to strip them. So lucky I have the tri-point that I use for my iPhone repair. So these are the long one too, okay? And then this side, the one on the left hand side, is the short one. I'm gonna lift this up. and then pull toward the front. So last time I did a comparison about the serial number, how the sticker, the fake one is much whiter. Let's get do side by side right here. Move this cable out of the way. This is more like a light grayish color or not as white as that. And I also did a comparison on this clear pull tab. And also right here, the sticker, original one is supposed to be like this white background instead of black. So I'm gonna put this in a new one and then test it out and check it out. I'll take the rest of the problem with the seller and see. Okay, I'm gonna put the long one, the short one. Somehow not going in. Loosen that one. So I can maneuver around and see something's going on. The wire is pushing downward, so I'm matching with the hole. So yeah, that's what happens if you buy like a fake. There you go. There you go. So yeah, the wire was pushing it downward, and it's not aligning with the hole. So I gotta be careful. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this tutorial to show you guys. So I'm going to power this on. I don't want to put it all the way in and then something happen, you know. Let's check it out real quick. I'm not sure if the battery's charged or not though. Oh, so it is charged. So it shows 73% right now. So yeah, it boot up pretty fast. So it still shows 73%. And now we're gonna go to click on the Apple again about this Mac. And we're gonna go to the system report again. Go to hardware and then power. So cycle count, it is 0. So that means it is brand new, which is good. Well, we're gonna see how long it's gonna last. So it's jumped down to 72% already. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.